man out, mate, man tap out, but I stay on his feet like a bee. Bro, I know it's long time no see, but I'm here whenever you need. Sat in a band or watching Snap weren't good for my mental health. The things I see on a daily basis be on a daily melt. Why the hell would I dwell on the past when I made profit off the pain I felt? How the fuck these guys gonna date these girls when they can't even pay for themselves? How? Few of these females left me on red back then, but I look now, I bet they regret it. They used to ask what I do for a living, I said that I work in a chemist. I had no money, I weren't embarrassed, I'm doing up, rolling my Toyota Yaris. C-Squad late tryna cut through traffic, rule number one.